Hey there, tech enthusiasts and content creators! I'm thrilled to have you here with me today, as we're about to create magic together. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of ChatGPT and craft a captivating script for a YouTube video. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's an AI platform that stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a powerful tool that can help us generate human-like text responses based on the questions and prompts we provide. Now, here's the part where the magic happens. Let's say you want to create a script for your next YouTube video. You can do this in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Start by brainstorming your ideas. Jot down your main points and key messages you want to convey in your video. This could be about anything from unboxing a new gadget, sharing valuable tips on photography, or even teaching someone how to code. Step 2. Once you have your ideas down, it's time to craft your script. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. You can use this AI platform to generate human-like responses based on your questions or prompts. This makes the process of writing a script much easier and faster. Step 3. Finally, review and edit your script if needed. Make sure it flows smoothly and is engaging for your audience. Remember, keep it concise but informative at the same time. After all, people watch videos for information that they can use in their day-to-day lives. So there you have it, creating a perfect script with ChatGPT for your next YouTube video is now within easy reach. I hope this brief guide has been helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others who might benefit from it too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Until next time, happy video making!